Hello and welcome again to Happiness Online Math. Today we have a logarithmic equation on the board, a question rather on the board, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So let us go ahead and prefer a solution to this question. So we have log base 2 x plus 1 minus log base 2 minus x equals 3. Okay, so our log rule states that log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a over b. So let's apply this to the left hand side. So this becomes log of 2 because we have the same base. Let's rewrite this and make it a bit bigger. So we have log to the base 2 and x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 3. Right, so our log rule again states that log of a base b equals c. It's the same thing as a equals b raised to power c. So this c pushes this b pushes the c to the exponent position, and then the b becomes the base, okay, and then that becomes equal to a. So we're going to rewrite this in that format. So this becomes x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 2 raised to power 3. Now we know that 2 raised to power 3 is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So our equation now becomes x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 8. Same thing as 8 over 1. We can cross multiply, and if we do, it becomes x plus 1 times 1 equals 8 times 2 minus x. So x plus 1 times 1 is the same thing as x plus 1. And 8 times 2 minus x. So 8 times 2 will give us 16 minus 8 times x will give us 8x. Okay. So let us collect like terms to one side. So we can add 8 to both sides, and if we do, that becomes we can add 8x. Becomes 8x plus 1 equals 16 minus 8x plus 8x. And that cancels out. So now we have 9x plus 1 equals 16. At the same time, we can subtract 1 from both sides. So we have 9x plus 1 minus 1 equals 16 minus 1. 1 cancels out. So eventually we have 9x equals 15. And to find the value of x, we just divide both sides by 9. And what else? If we break it down further, 3 here will give us 5, 3 here will give us 3. So our x is equal to 5 divided by 3. And that is our final answer. Perfect. So, but we're not going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and verify to make sure that this value of x is the correct answer. So if we go back to our equation, states that log of 2 into x plus 1 minus log base 2 into 2 minus x. We're trying to prove that that is going to be equal to 3. All right, so we said our x is equal to 5 over 3. So let's plug in 5 over 3 everywhere we see x in the equation. So this becomes log base 2 into 5 over 3 plus 1 minus log base 2 into 2 minus 5 over 3. And let's see if that's going to be equal to 3. So log base 2, 5 over 3 plus 1 is the same as 5 plus 3. That will be 8 divided by 3. If we do the LCM of this, so this becomes 5 over 3 plus 1. So it's 5 plus 3 equals 8. And the other one is 2 minus 5 over 3. 6 minus 5 is 1 over 3. Okay. So established. So next it becomes log base 2 into 1 over 3. And let's see if that's all going to be equal to 3. So we know our rule. The rule states that log of A minus log of B is equal to log of A over B. So let's apply the rule. So we have log to base 2 into 8 over 2 divided by, 8 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. And we're trying to see if that's all going to be equal to 3. So log to base 2. So how do we do this? 8 multiplies 3 and 3 multiplies 1. So that becomes 8 times 3 divided by 1 times 3. So 3 cancels 3 and we have just 8. And the proof is to show that the left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. We know that by now. Okay, so the log rule states that log of A raised to power B is the same thing as B log A. So left-hand side now becomes 3 log 2 base 2. Now we also know that log of A base A is 1. So that means log of 2 base 2 is also equal to 1 because these 2 and 2 are the same, just like we have A and A here. So this becomes 3 times 1. And 3 times 1 is 3. And we can see that now our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. So we have been able to successfully prove that our value of x, which is 5 over 3, right here, is the correct answer. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you share this video to somebody else that you believe it might be beneficial to. And also, if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.